here's the price. What was that price?
It was one.
Good morning, guys. It is 7 a.m. bright and early. Welcome back to the channel. We got a crazy video in store for you guys today because today is the first day the Ferrari F430 is making a public appearance at a car show. We got Andrew over here, we got Christian. It's very cold outside, a whopping like 20 degrees, but we're excited to take the Ferrari out and we didn't let that stop us. So without further ado, oh, and the BMW over here, we have some exciting news to share with you once we get back from Katie's. So stay tuned for that. You guys won't believe what we paid when we bought this car back from the insurance company.
And we'll see what we can do to maybe start even diving into it, seeing exactly what's wrong with it.
Seeing what's wrong, yeah. All right, without further ado, let's do a little cold start. Headphone users, beware. Just washed the car last night. It looks incredible. Power on, let the pumps prime. All right, here we go. God dang. Yeah, which is louder? Your Volkswagen or the 430?
Well, this is louder, but clearly my Volkswagen is faster.
Yeah, honestly, I think so. You have a turbo. All right, vlog. I'm hopping in Ben's Beetle.
What's up, vlog?
All right, we're headed out. We're leading. Christian's in the Ferrari. I'm gonna try to get some roller shots and some flybys. So this is about to be insane. Here we go. Oh my God! That is insane! That is so loud! My eardrums are dead.
Sounds so good from in here, not loud at all.
I know, right?
Like that.
Oh, hey, 996 turbo. We car spotting out here.
Hold on, rev to assert your dominance.
Come over here. Fly by in the S4. Go time, baby. We getting them rollers. Ben's about to go to work. Yeah, follow him on Instagram here to see the pictures when they go live. What kind of camera setup you got? I know nothing, but maybe somebody viewing does.
It's a power shot.
Power shot. That sounds legit. We'll go with that. All right, Christian's about to do a flyby. This is going to be ridiculous. Flyby in Mexico, by the way, but here we go.
2 hours later.
right, vlog, it's time for me to drive the R32. You guys have been getting on me for not showing this car enough love, so we are gonna go give it a little rip, you know? Make sure everything's all still running right. Oh man, I haven't driven this car in so long. Oh, it's weird to be back on the right side of the car. Time to put it away though. Since we're getting all the cars out today, we're gonna go give Ellis a drive. So we will shut this guy off. Wow, this car is fun. All right, let's go grab Ellis. All right, now we're climbing in Ellis. Golly, I've gotten bigger since last time I've been in here. Oi. All right, come on. Will she start? Oh yes. I have missed the V8. So we just did some driving in Ellis. Man, this thing hauls. I didn't videotape that part, but man, so much fun. Back in we go. Alrighty, vlogs, BMW news. So you guys have been wondering, you guys see the title. We bought it back from the insurance company. Yes! Thank goodness.
I am so happy. It all worked out. It was all possible. Like sometimes they may not even let you buy it back. They just want to send it to auction to see how much they can get for it, if they think that they can maybe get more or something. But they gave us a number.
Well, in the beginning, they didn't even give us a number. They're like, it's going to auction, but we're like, can we buy it? And they're like, oh, okay, if you want it, here's the price. What was that price? We asked you guys last video. A lot of you guys were saying 2 grand, 3 grand.
It was $1,250. We tried negotiating with them. As hard of a car bargain as we like to drive, we were trying and trying, but they were firm and set on that. $1,250, take it or leave it. Yeah. It's getting hauled away tomorrow.
So now auction could have gone for less. Yeah, maybe, I don't know, but we didn't want to wait months and have to go through the auction process of buying and getting all the paperwork and all that stuff done. So we're like, okay, we'll just buy it back. It'd be a cool little project for the YouTube channel. But inspecting the damage more. So if you guys didn't see last video, of course, this is our BMW, our daily driver. Our mom was borrowing it while we were out of town, and unfortunately, you know, this lady was flying through a parking lot and just they collided, didn't have enough time to react.
So we'll talk over kind of the plan, because when we were getting into this, buying it back, we had to have some sort of idea of what we were looking to invest back into it to fix it. So obviously, new hood. We're gonna try to find a used hood off of a rear-ended car. Bumper might even be able to stay. I mean, I'll just go after this with some buffing.
Kind of messed up. Do you guys think the bumper? No, that's all pushed down.
No, this is almost normal. It's there's a little ground seal on this.
I don't know. You guys got to comment down below on the bumper, but this fender's okay. The right fender's bent, so that's gonna have to be replaced. 2 kidney gills. The badge is good. Oh yeah. I mean, so it's not terrible. Guys, one thing, I was actually looking at some salvage auctions and I found a car on auction that had a pretty big rear end collision, but the front end was perfect. And it's silver. So, I could potentially buy that car and take off the parts to put onto here. Not quite sure yet. Again, we may go the route of buying like aftermarket cheap like M3 clone parts to kind of make an M3 style front end, because we don't really care about, you know, this car doesn't have to be perfect, so if we can have some fun at the same time, that'd be neat.
And whatever we do, it's got to be on a budget, because that's going to be the name of the game. That's going to be the goal for this thing.
If we can get this thing done for less than like, I mean, I don't even know how much to start estimating, but I don't know, $1,000 bucks. I think we've got us pretty far.
What I was gonna say. Yeah, let's put that out there right now. $1,000 is the budget. Let's get it done for less.
Then we're in at $2,250 for a BMW. Woo!
For
right.
a really clean one. That's what's
That'd be pretty
important
nice.
here, is that we knew how clean this car was and how good condition
It's
and
solid.
how well we maintained it and everything. So that's the main reason why we bought it back. It'll be a very clean BMW
And heck,
for 2250.
we need a dang daily driver right now.
Yeah.
We have literally nothing. I'm like busting the Model 3 everywhere I go. I'm like, oh, okay, that's nice, but I'd ideally want to put it mileage on a car that, you know, a little less expensive, even though Model 3 is not expensive, but the depreciation with the miles. But whatever. So there you guys have it. We bought the car back. Comment down below if you're happy with our decision, and comment down below if you got video suggestions or ideas we can do with this BMW. We're gonna document the rebuild.
Yeah, lines on, you know, parts and what a good way to go. Good route
We'll
to
be
go.
happy to hear it. And what an exciting day. What a busy day. I mean, let's kick it off with the car show at 6 a.m.
Yeah.
Meeting up with the buddies, doing some driving in the 430. That was a lot of fun, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a big like if you did enjoy it. Drop the comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new.
Thank
we
you
will
so
see you
much for watching.
next video.